My name is Mike. My wife and kids are out right now, but the dogs are on the side. Typical family of 4, the Greener Homes grant, and then the Greener Homes loan together. I thought it was a no-brainer. I can get a nearly free system over 10 years. That made sense to me. I can tell by my Emporia energy monitor, I'm making about 60 to 75% of my entire household electricity costs. So far, the performance has been stellar. Everyone asks about them because somebody else around the corner has solar panels as well. Similar panels, different inverter, different company, your competitors. Is not as good as install. It's you can definitely see it's not as a professional install as this one, as you'd say. My previous house had solar on it. Loved the idea and want to do it here as well. The money that solar system made to help pay the kids' hockey games, the summer trips, $5,000 to $7,000 a year was just coming in, and it paid itself off in 7 years. And after that, it's just gravy. Try to reduce our hydro bill, not necessarily to zero, but significantly 75% reduce the hydro bill so far in the last 3 months, anyways. Most companies, the website is okay, but they didn't seem to be able to answer the geeky technical questions I was asking. He answered all my questions, and if he didn't know it, he'd go back and get it. And he actually convinced me not to expand on the solar, which I thought was strange because it's more sales for the business, which I thought was interesting, but he convinced me because it didn't make sense. Here's my 5 questions. I need straight answers, I need technical numbers, and I need the math. And he was able to do that pretty straightforward. So that was nice. And it wasn't about, here, just buy our most expensive part, kind of idea. Originally, I wanted to do it all. It's getting too old for that pitch of roof, and if I'm doing this in winter, I'm not going up there in winter. So I had the Dane Ross moving company put with their forklift right into the garage, so it was ready to go. And then probably a month after that, when they can schedule the installer, and when the installer came in, so the first day to do all the prep work and start doing the rails, and then it's all based on weather after that. It wasn't too bad. They could probably do it if it was one straight roof, they'd probably do it 2-3 days. This is a higher roof, higher pitch or steeper pitch. It's a little harder. Everything's harder when it's steeper pitch. And then as soon as winter comes, snow hits it, and as it melts, it cleans your panels. I monitor this, not every day. It's not at first you do, because you just want to know. And you get all excited about this stuff. And my kids, that's 3rd generation, right? And they want to know too. Most people want to get a battery pack. Solar sells battery banks, and I thought about that. I'm thinking more in 4 or 5 years when I do buy my EV, once my truck is falling apart over time. But just the idea that I'd be backing up a whatever EV you want, truck, car, whatever, into a garage with a massive battery bank. For me, it's just over time, the electricity costs will be continually less. And once the panels when they pay themselves off in 10, 10 and a half, 11 years, after that, it's all gravy.